guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Beauty by AJ. Today's video is going to be on these gorgeous butterfly locks. So if you want to see this video, make sure you keep on watching, and if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Alright guys, so this hair came from a company on Amazon called Youngster. They have a lot of different products, but I received these and I think these are really cute. The only problem that I had was that the loop for the crochet hook was a little too small, but it's a quick fix. All you have to do is stretch it out, which I'll show you in the video. It came very quickly. Of course, it was shipped with Amazon, so if you have Amazon Prime, it'll come in 2 days, which I really love. And the product came with everything that you need, so you do not have to worry about trying to find a crochet hook, some clips, anything like that. Everything comes with it, and I'll show you that in the video as well. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so jumping right in, this is how I achieved this braid pattern. I did square parts and I used the edge booster and my edge brush to smooth the roots. And once that's done, I use a rubber band to section it off. Pretty simple. Now you do not have to use rubber bands to achieve this look. This is the easiest and neatest way to do it, but you could also do braids or twists, whatever works for you. You just have to connect the sections. Now you don't want the rubber band to be too tight to your roots because you're going to need to put the crochet hook and the butterfly lock through the roots, so make sure it is kind of loose. Now for the second section, you're going to repeat the same steps as with the first section, but you're going to connect the first section to it. So I twisted the hair from the first section and then I used a rubber band to connect the two sections. And that's how you do the first half of your head. Now for the bottom half, I cornrowed 2 sections together, and then once that was done, I braided all the ends together and bobby pinned the ends up so that it laid flat. Now y'all can see how tight those rubber bands were to my scalp. Do not do it like this. Do not make it that tight. It was good as far as the neatness and you can see the individual parts, but it was too tight and I could not pull the butterfly lock through that section, so I ended up having to take that out and start over. This is the gist of what I did, and I will make a video. I'll make a more in-depth video for the braid pattern. Alright, so this is the hair that I received. Again, it's from Youngster on Amazon. It came with 6 packs of blocks, a crochet hook, some hair jewelry, and 2 mini clips. Now, as I mentioned, the loop is very small, so to fix this, I used scissors and just opened it to stretch the loop. Pretty easy. So now to the very, very easy part, to crochet this. So to crochet this, you need to place the crochet hook through your section. You're going to place the butterfly lock onto the hook, close the latch, pull the lock through, place the end of your butterfly lock through the loop, and then you're going to pull it to secure. So I'm going to repeat that again just in case it was too fast. So again, you're going to place the crochet hook through your section. You're going to place the butterfly lock onto your hook. You're going to close the latch, pull the lock through. Make sure that loop is open. You're going to place the end of your butterfly lock through the loop. And then you're going to pull it to secure. And literally, that's all you do. And for the back, you crochet it like a regular crochet. And that's it. Ta-da! So as I said in the video, the braid pattern that I did allows the front of your hair to have some versatility. You're more than welcome to do that method throughout your whole head. It'll allow you to put your hair up in ponytails and just look like you have you know, single butterfly locks in your head, but you don't, and you don't have to worry about weaving your hair through the crochet lock, or, you know, wrapping the hair around and actually doing the butterfly locks. This method was very easy, and it's going to be very easy to take out too, so that's what I'm really happy about. So you can see it looks like this. I'm going to show you how you're able to, you know, achieve some other looks because of the method that I used. So I'm just going to go ahead and do it. So as you can see, I could do a side part. And it all depends on how you lay your crochet locks too. So I laid it so I could have like a side part. So it lays flat like this. I could do a middle part, but I did not lay my crochet locks to do a middle part. So as you can see, it's going to be a little bit more voluminous on this side because I laid them to lay on that side flat. You know, I could go even more over here and do a side part, and you can see, like, you can see the part, which I really love, and I didn't have to like take hours weaving my hair through the crochet lock because I have long hair. Depending on how far back you go is how much versatility you'll get with the style, but I like how I did it. You know, this front section, it took a lot of work, but once I got to the back and just started doing the cornrows, it was easy. So the hardest part honestly is doing the braid method, but I'll show you the back just in case I haven't already showed you that. And as you can see, there's no parts in the back, which is how I wanted it. If you want parts in the back, then you're going to need to, you know, do the method that I did. But, you know, it just looks very full and you don't see any, you know, braids. So I think this turned out really good. Let me know what you think. All right, guys, so that brings us to the end of this video. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, make sure you leave them down in the comment section below. If you like this video, make sure you leave a thumb up, and as always, please make sure you are subscribed and hit the notification button so you're updated whenever I upload a new video. And that is all I have for you guys today, so I will see you in my video next time.